Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, which is the fourth installation of our TradingView beginner series, I'm going to walk you through how to create your very own custom watch list right here on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a personalized watch list, which is such a valuable tool for tracking the stocks, cryptos, or any other assets you care about most. And believe me, it will make your trading and analysis life so much easier. Alright, let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is look for the watchlist icon. On TradingView, this is usually located on the right-hand side of your screen. It looks like a little bulleted list or star, depending on how your layout's set up. Go ahead and give that a click. This will open up your current watchlist panel, which is where we'll be working for the next few minutes. Now, at the very top of this panel, you'll notice the name of your current watchlist. It might say something generic like default, or perhaps you've already customized it before. Next to the name is a drop-down arrow. This is what allows us to manage and switch between different watch lists. Click on that drop-down. Don't worry if you see a bunch of options here. What you're looking for is the one that says Create New List. Go ahead and select that. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your watch list. This is where you can get creative or be super specific. For instance, if you primarily follow cryptocurrency markets, you might name it something like New Crypto List. This naming is more helpful than you might think, especially if you ever end up juggling multiple watch lists for different sectors or strategies down the road. Once you've named your list, the new empty list will appear in the panel. You'll probably notice a plus button nearby. This is your gateway to adding symbols to your custom list. Hit that plus sign and a search box will pop up. Here, where TradingView really starts to feel powerful. Start typing the name or ticker symbol of the asset you want to track. For example, if you're adding Bitcoin, just start typing BTCUSD and TradingView will show you the matching options. Find the one you want, then click it. That symbol is now in your watch list. You can repeat this process for as many assets as you want. Type in Ethereum, maybe throw in Solana, or even add a stock or two if you're diversifying your interests. The watch list is completely customizable and there's no need to worry if you change your mind later. You can always add or remove symbols at any time. And just like that, you've built your own watch list. No more hunting for your favorite assets one by one every time you log in. Instead, you've got an organized lineup of all the symbols you care about, ready for you at a glance. Whether you're monitoring price movements throughout the day, comparing charts, or just keeping tabs on potential investment opportunities, having a personalized watch list will save you time and keep you focused. If you had any issues along the way, don't stress. Sometimes TradingView updates its interface, so if something looks a little different for you, just take a moment to explore those dropdowns and options. It's all there. Alright, that's a wrap for episode 4 of our TradingView tutorial series. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another feature you want to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. There's plenty more helpful tips ahead. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.